Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you encounter Ethernet does not have a valid Ipconfig error, then watch this video for the solution. So the solution for this is to run a few commands. You will find these commands in the description of this video. So we'll need to copy these commands one by one, and then we will run these commands in the elevated command prompt mode. To open the elevated command prompt, right click on the command prompt, click on run as administrator, and then paste this command here, press enter. And then we will do this one by one for all the commands. We'll flush the DNS, press enter, and then we can again register the DNS. So you'll do this one by one for all commands. I won't do this for all commands so as to keep this video short for your convenience. Now, once we copy these commands, all of these one by one, then we will should restart the computer, restart, and this error should no longer show. If this video helped you, then kindly subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.